Hey guys, this is like very quick video for you about the Xiaomi Doorbell Smart 3S. What kind of thing you have to be aware of, the reasons why you shouldn't buy it. So you get like great sharp 2K video quality, 100-degree ultra-wide diagonal view, 72-hour cloud storage, IP65 weatherproof rating, dual power options, Wi-Fi 6 support, AI motion detection with the custom zone. So it's like very good anti-theft features. So removal triggers an alarm, records video and sends you phone notification. But the cons: notifications delay happen. This is the biggest complaint across the board. Sometimes alerts arrive instantly, sometimes there is a frustrating lag of several seconds or more. It varies by phone, app settings and Wi-Fi strength. So this is something that you have to be aware of. No local storage option. Everything goes to the cloud. There is no SD card slot. So if your internet goes down, you're not recording anything. And you can expand storage or buy additional cloud time. So, right? Watch videos recorded for free without purchasing micro SD card, but you don't actually have the SD card there. But if the internet is not there, it's a problem. And the cloud storage is only for 72 hours. If you don't check the app for a few days, all your footage is automatically deleted. A Wi-Fi dependency is real. Needs a strong, stable 2.5 GHz Wi-Fi connection, okay? Just be aware of it. And the battery life doesn't always much climbs. So more like, it really depends also on the weather, like if you're more colder, things. So does it make sense? And motion detection sometimes isn't like really precise, and no 24/7 conscious recording, continuous recording. So that's something to be aware of. So yeah, like it got the benefits, but these are the cons that I wanted to share, like important for you. And thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.